Welcome back. We are spending a lot more time inside our homes. There are new ways to brighten our space and keep it healthier. Kathryn Emery, 20-year home improvement and lifestyle expert, is here with 4 tips to help us enhance our space with lighting and to keep things healthy too. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Lynn. So happy to be here. 'Tis the season to get home ready for all these get-togethers and just more time inside, right?
Absolutely. We've definitely been spending a lot more time inside, and here in Michigan it's starting to get colder, so a lot of us don't want to go outside anyway. But what's something to enhance the overall ambiance of our home?
Well, lighting. So like you said, the days are shorter, the nights are longer, we're spending more time inside. And let's face it, we always feel our best and look our best in the glow of natural sunlight. So the makers of Sylvania light bulb have come out with the Natural Series LED light bulb with true wave technology that gets you light as close as you can get to the natural sunlight. So we don't realize it, but LEDs actually emit a blue light, and that blue light suppresses melatonin, so we're not sleeping as well, and it also creates a glare, so it causes a strain on our eyes when we're reading. So this true wave technology actually emits that blue light. We're sleeping better, we're reading better, we're feeling better in glow in a bath that as close as we can get to the natural sunlight in our house all year round. Isn't that amazing? You can find these at Menards, but just a great way to bring that touch of the sunshine, that sunshine light inside your house.
One light bulb can make a difference. That's amazing. It is amazing. I love that. All right, and as far as our house, I think a lot of us would like to put a force field up to protect it from germs, but we don't have to go that far, do we?
Not anymore. I love that though. So this is MicroGold. So MicroGold is a multi-action disinfectant and antimicrobial spray. It's been EPA tested and proven to kill the COVID-19 virus within 3 minutes. So you're going to use it on all hard surfaces in your house. So think of all that cleaning you've been doing, your doorknobs, your remote controls, your countertops, your faucets, your light switches, throughout your bathroom and kitchen. So the interesting thing is other disinfectants will kill microorganism on contact, but once that disinfectant dries, it stops working. So MicroGold is the only solution that has both a disinfectant and an antimicrobial spray that will actually kill that COVID-19 virus. So this is basically a hospital grade formula that you can get for your house. And this is at getmicrogold.com, but just peace of mind all season long, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We do need that. And that's going to take a little bit more effort than the next thing you have that's actually going to work on cleaning the air in your home.
Yes, exactly. One more thing before the air, but so let's talk about our hands. We're all cleaning our hands a lot more.
Yes.
So right, whether we want to or not, we are. So I say go touchless with your hand sanitizing, because I often think, who's sanitizing my hand sanitizers, right?
Oh.
So Sense and Dispense here, right? It's a touchless battery-powered unit. It comes with a refillable ethyl alcohol-based gel sanitizer with vitamin E and glycerin. So you're going to get that 70% alcohol content that's going to kill those germs, but that vitamin E and glycerin, it's going to prevent your hands from drying out. It's not sticky. It has a light set. The nice thing is when you do have to replace it, you just click it right on there. There's about 400 dispensers in one of these bottles, so it's going to last you for a couple months. And you're going to find that at Lowe's, which is awesome. And then you mentioned clean air. Okay, I don't know. Hopefully you have a humidifier. Every home has a humidifier because it's cold and flu season. So especially now more than ever, invest in a humidifier with clean mist technology. So this is the Air Innovations digital top fill humidifier. There's a number of reasons why I love it. So number one, it comes with a permanent ceramic filter. So that permanent ceramic filter is going to remove impurities, make sure you're breathing that clean mist technology, and then you don't have to go buy new filters. You just rinse this off and use it over and over again. I love, here we go with this antimicrobial again. The antimicrobial tank and base prevent any germs from growing inside of it. So you can fill it one time. It'll last you a couple weeks of sleeps, which I love because I get pretty lazy with filling my humidifiers around the house. And then when you do have to fill it, check it out. It's just got this easy top fill design. So it's got a remote control. This is an extension nozzle, so you can get the mist where you need to go. You get the gist. It really is just an amazing humidifier. I threw out all their humidifiers when I got this one. So, and that's a QVC exclusive. So check that out to make sure your home, your air is clean all season long.
Awesome. All right. Well, we're running low on time. Anything else you want to add?
No, that's it. Just for more information, everybody should go to bethebesthome.com.
I've stopped by there already. Thanks so much for your time. Some great advice for everybody.